you? Thank you for having me here.
You're welcome.
Tell me a little bit about your journey and how you got to be in Carmel.
I was in the corporate world for a while, and then I lost my job.
Okay.
July 2001, that's when I opened the gallery. Unfortunately, shortly after I opened the gallery, 9/11 happened. But so it was difficult. I mean, everything was a mess, and that's, if I wanted to give up, that's when I would have given up. But then it's been a wonderful journey. I mean, I started on Mass Avenue, downtown, for 10 years. Okay. And then I moved from Mass Avenue to the Kinko building. I was there for 8.5 years. And then they sold the building. And I was looking for a place to move to. And somebody told me about this place in Carmel. So that's how I ended up in Carmel. Yeah.
We're glad you're here.
Thank you.
That's a lot of resilience. You went through 9/11, an economic downturn, and COVID.
That's right.
And when a lot are struggling for so long, you've made it through over 2 decades. Congratulations.
Thank you. Art personally brings me joy. I find myself in one of them when I'm going through a difficult period. So I love all the art that I have in here. I work with artists from different backgrounds, different countries, because I love the work.
So tell the uninformed, if they don't know where your sculptures are, where are they? And tell us a little bit about them.
It's Veterans Way in Maine. It's a mother holding a child up. It's called Swing Be Mama.
It's beautiful.
It's a beautiful piece.
It's beautiful. It brings joy.
Yes.
Yes.
And that's what the artist says, that his sculptures bring joy. And you see that his sculptures.
Right.
He likes working with children and mothers playing with their children. And the second one is at Central Park. It's a buffalo and a cup. And again, it's the same theme of playfulness, mother and child, So they commissioned it. It was a massive, massive piece. And it wasn't easy where the rock was found, bringing the stone down. It rolled. It was dangerous. It was very, very, very precarious when they were bringing it down. And installing it and, getting it off the container was, it was a journey. It was an adventure, the whole thing, from finding the rock, bringing it down, taking it to his studio. It was an adventure. The artist was here. He was very, very happy to work with the children. They were very much into it. So, yeah.
You never know what kind of seeds those type of activities plant.
Exactly.
Especially if a child has a little bit of inkling to or interest in art, or that might just, spur a greater desire to get more involved.
Yeah, I'm so glad that, it came all the way from that mountain somewhere to Carmel, and that is here.
It's beautiful, and it looks so natural there with the grasses that they have in the park. And so thank you for bringing that to our home.
Yes, please come and visit us at 404 West Main Street. Come to the gallery, check out the gallery. Come and escape into one of the beautiful arts that we have here.